Hi, I'm Sean Gannon. This is Minute Math. And today we're going to learn about two-step inequalities. We're going to solve each inequality and graph its solution. So if I was given this inequality, 84 is greater than or equal to a negative 7 times b minus 9. Okay? Well, my first step here is I need to get rid of that negative 7. There's multiplication there, so I'm going to divide by negative 7, opposite of multiplication, to both sides, leaving me 84 divided by negative 7, which is a negative 12. 84 divided by 7 is 12, and a positive divided by a negative is a negative. Since I divided over the inequality by a negative number, I need to flip that inequality to write it instead of greater than or equal to be less than or equal to. Now I'm left with what's inside the parenthesis on the right, which is v minus 9. From there, I have to add a 9 to both sides, giving me negative 12 plus 9 is a negative 3 is less than or equal to b. Then I'm going to rewrite this to have v come first, right? Because I like to have v always come first. It's easier, so v come first. Then in doing that, by flipping that, I need to flip the inequality back over. So we have v is greater than or equal to now negative 3. And there we have it. V is isolated and it's by itself. And so v is greater than or equal to negative 3. But now I need to graph it. So let's make our graph here. Hopefully it can fit. I think it can fit it. Okay? Negative 3. Let's go by ones. Negative 2. Negative 1, 0, 1, and then negative 4, and negative 5, and negative 6. Well, we said v was greater than or equal to a negative 3, so I'm going to put a closed circle right there at negative 3, and then I'll put my arrow to the right. What that says is that all this graph here to the right is what v can be, and v is greater than negative 3, as well as can equal negative 3 because of the closed circle. So our graph now matches the final answer, which is v is greater than or equal to a negative 3. So let's recap. We had 84 is greater than or equal to negative 7 times the parentheses b minus 9. I divided by negative 7 to both sides to eliminate there, and in doing so I had to flip my inequality. And flipping the inequality, so from greater than or equal to be less than or equal to, and then 84 divided by negative 7 is a negative 12. Okay? I then added a 9 to both sides, giving me a negative 3 is less than or equal to v. I could rewrite that and have v come first, so I did that. So I put v coming first here, but instead of less than or equal to, I wrote it to be greater than or equal to. We need to flip that, equals that negative 3. So that equation, or inequality there, v being greater than or equal to negative 3, I needed a graph. We had a closed circle because it's equal to negative 3, and then I shaded to the right with an arrow to the right because we said v was also greater than negative 3. So now I have my graph that matches my final answer, which is v is greater than or equal to a negative 3.
Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, the creator of Minute Math, and if you like this video,